broken arrow rig yet? Dude, I wonder if they actually, like, I wonder if that one actually went after this.
Maybe it was on the phone or something, and it's like, hey, what's that? Yeah,
holy dude, there.
you know what's going
Dude,
bouncing up.
first.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
How?
They're right on that rock ledge down there.
Why are they out? They're up, they sitting down there.
Dude, look at that. They must go after them. They're right on the tip. Oh, she got off.
They went the other way too.
They must, yeah, they all must just be sitting right there. Number 4. Number 5. If I get her. Did it become fun to become out here like a fly rod? Ooh, something. Dude, I keep snagging him like right on top of the head. I thought you said the white ones are the bigger ones. It's like the biggest one I've caught. Keep it either getting him right on top of the head or in the mouth. I guess I got one on the gill. So I can set my rod down without putting it in the water. What? What? Yeah. I don't know why we always get him in the head. Ooh, there we go. Well, either I hook this one on the tail or it's a bigger one. So either I hook this one in the tail or it's a bigger one. No, it's fighting kind of good. No, this is a medium heavy. Yeah. But it's a gander rod, so. Holy grump. Not really, just fighting the current really hard. Oh, I guess it's. Yeah, they're actually literally like right. You stupid fish. I'm gonna hold you. No. Oh, she gone. Probably not. I don't know, but she's dark in there now. Is that a decent sized one? Yeah, that's probably tied with the biggest. Did that one eat it? You just gotta go out the same hole it went in. Oh, yeah, those are the hardest because that's like where their bones are. About time I hooked into one. Did you? Double. Yeah, I don't know, this one's kind of fighting pretty good too. Dude, hopefully later tonight we'll get into some walleyes. Holy, I think this one's already been snagged a couple times. Yeah. Oh. Dude, this one's a big effort. Dude, this one actually bit. Wait, no it didn't, never mind. Dude, this thing is on your boot. Oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Oh, that one jumped. Did you see that? A sucker trying to jump. No, dude, I need to hold her up for the GoPro. Just kidding, here, I'll walk towards you, then you can get her. No, you got her. You called it, Dink. She's all yours.
Yeah, they don't fight unless it's like a really.
Here, you want to grab it though, please? Number 7.
Guys on the GoPro if you want to watch.
Yeah. Oh, here comes number 9 or 10. This is 9 or 10. Yeah. Nah, dude, it's skill. Dude, why do you always get him in the mouth though? That's what I kind of wonder. Like, why you always get him like in the head area? Ooh, this one actually bit, I think. Either that or I got him right in the nose. Oh. But so I always like in the front of their head. Like, I wonder if they actually kind of like go after just to try to hit it away. No, this one actually bit. Holy crap. What? It's on its lips. Either that or just happened to snag it in the lips. This is one angry fish though. Holy dude, their lips are freaking strong. These are one ugly fish. What? Oh, I didn't. I got one. Do you? Number 11. Ooh, there's something in the mouth. Oh no, this is the nose. Oh, I just fell. Yeah, I feel like this BS. Oh. Yep. Oh, I just like landed in one, I think. Yep. I just landed in them. Yeah. That's what the Northerns were like off the dock on Diamond that one time. Like it lands and you have a fish. Ooh, dude, this is a black one. Black striper. Look at this one. Yep. Oh, this water's cold. Put your... Yeah, no, they're just... He's a shaker. Dude, when it's going ham, I just let go of it because I didn't want to get the jizz spraying all over. Oh, now the line's wrapped up. There we go. And maybe if you don't shake, I can actually get this hook out of you, buddy. I don't know, here, I'll check. Number 12. Probably. Dude, Michael, it was a good idea to walk back here, dude. Oh, there we go. Heads up. Michael, the thing's about to hit you. No, it's mine. I'm just kidding, you can have it. Look at this thing. Crayfish. Thing's going ham. This thing is not enthused at all. I have a fish on. I still have a fish on, Michael. Okay. Okay. Aw. That would have been number 14. Yeah. Like, whenever we go fishing, I always end up catching them all and you never catch grub.
Yeah, I know.
This is a weird one. Never mind. Number 14. Dude, it's kind of sad, dude. I caught more than those scrubs did. I heard them they said 10. They caught, or one of them caught 10. And yeah, they're here longer than us. Holy crap! Is that a fish? Was it a fish?
No, I thought it broke off. I don't know.
It broke off? Did I not tell you?
That's alright. No,
14, baby.
It's crossed over. Oh no, it's crossed around you. Oh no.
It was on me. It was just chilling on my leg. Dude, I feel like the, yeah, it's a decent sized one. It has a big head at least. I feel like those stripers are bigger, Michael. Oh, dude, it's almost in the eye. Hurry. Okay, no, it's just the line. There we go. Oh, there we go. This is a bigger one. Hey, am I recording? See if the numbers are going. Oh no, that's why I said come here.
It's on the side, isn't it?
No, it's in the front. It shows like numbers moving.
Yes. I see numbers. Let me check something.
Holy. Are you kidding me? Oh no, just a near miss. Alright. Holy crap, dude. You're gonna get hooked in the eye if you don't chill the frick out. Dude, this one's hooked. Oh, never mind. Whew. Dude, this is a decent sized one too. Mm-hmm. Do you? Nice. Is that a walleye? Oh, no, right. That'd be boss if we just that'd be boss if we just cooked into this like freaking like 10-pound walleye. Michael. You keep it? That'd be risky getting that out of here. What? Oh yeah, I'd keep it back in those dirt roads maybe. I'd probably still put her back. I'd probably just get a picture and put her back. Oh, there we go. Ooh, this is a freaking heavy fish. Either that or I snagged the rock. Oh yeah, I snagged the rock. Either that or a fish is on the other side of the rock. Oh, it's a fish. Yeah, it was caught on the other side of the rock. Yeah. I think that's what happened earlier, that first fish I caught when I saw I snagged the rock. I don't know, I've been pounding them now all of a sudden. No, Michael, using braid are better. It all just depends on the application. Oh my gosh. Dude, chill. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing's freaking coming everywhere. Oh. Michael, I found a good spot. Well, ended up being a pretty good couple hours of fishing. I caught a total of 23 suckers, and Michael got like... Michael, how many did you get?
I got like 8 or 10 or something.
You got like 8 or 10, but we had a lot that got on too that ended up getting off. But I mean, it was pretty nice fishing. Better than what we've had the last couple of weeks going out checking smaller rivers and creeks and not getting crap. This has been pretty good.
Yeah, this was a lot better.
This is the day before spearing. Tomorrow spearing opens up, so maybe sometime next week we'll get a spearing video out for you guys if I get out here with some of my buddies and do some spearing. So yeah, this has been Cullen with Up More Fishing Team along with Big Mike, and see you guys next time.